Look at Crew. I know. He's like, oh, fucking nerds, asshole. Crew, hold your camera.
He was like, I thought sorry.
Hold your camera. Oh shit.
No.
Oh shit. Oh no, it's the shit now.
Dude, a jumping cut and jump with it.
Can monks fight?
ใช้ศอกโอ้สอบไม่ไหวสอบไม่ไหวแต่จริง
เหงื่อแตกแล้ว
Right.
Oh, do you see myself?
Nope, your turn. Okay.
So next turn.
Dude, Bruce,
Hey,
you've been doing it for 5 minutes.
I don't know. Oh!
Ow.
No, you. Oh shit.
Hey, that's a bad word. Okay, I'll leave. I'll leave.
Walmart Alley.
Why would you get the big body shield?
Yeah, again.
I didn't bring it today.
I love the body shield. This thing's awesome.
I know.
What?
The body shield. It's like you kick him.
I was just such a
He puts the shield up. I go. I can't kick his hand.
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Oh. Crew looks mad.
Okay.
Do something funny.
He's kicking with his camera.
He's like, I'm outie.
หมดแล้ว อ๋อ low energy.
Low energy. Charge your batteries.
Yeah. No energy.
Low energy.
Energy.
Oh shit! I broke it.
Smooth move, kid.
Here, I got it. Let me fix this up.
Go, Stevie, go. Go, Stevie, go.
Goes this way,
shit,
right?
I'm scared. Yeah.
Oh wait, no, it goes this way. Right?
You're gonna kick my arm into this, asshole.
How are we gonna fix this? Okay, let me turn the camera. Hold on, no, not close the
I can do
camera.
it, but I gotta take these.
Are we still recording this shit? Oh hi, as you can see, that is Kitty.
Okay.
That's Kitty, my sister. That's my big boy,
Big boy.
Stevie. And that's my teacher, instructor,
How do you
Steve.
do it? Like this, right?
No. Yeah, Steve Northrop. Yeah.
I can only hit it fast. Alright, hard.
Hit the.
I'm done.
You have to be ninja. Here.
Watch
Look,
out!
here, look. Watch Stevie.
Front hit.
Here you go, buddy. That's Stevie. As you can see, that is Stevie. That's Oh! Oh!
Oh!
Jesus Christ.
I would have hurt.
I would have.
Wait, what do you?
No! Stop. No, a little higher, woman.
That's dirty, huh?
Well, here comes Steve.
Oh!
3 months of retirement. Look what happened.
What did he do?
He got fat.
Get back.
Okay. Okay. I know.
See?
Oh shit.
Right quick!
Square.
He can't get him off.
Come on, kid. Do what I taught you.
Wait, which one did you finish?
Ow! Ow, which asshole hit my head? Oh, fuck you.
Wait, what's that one where like you jump? Wait, you go. Wait, what do you do?
Oh, you mean a roundhouse?
No, not roundhouse. It's like where you go. Karate.
Is it on?
No.
Square up right quick. Okay, I'm done.